Understanding the word longevous. The word longevous is rare but fascinating. It simply means long-lived or having a long life. It's used to describe someone or something that lasts a long time, especially a person who lives to an old age with good health and vitality. If you've ever admired someone who has lived a rich, full life for 90 or even 100 years, you can say they are longevous. Definition of longevous. Longevous is an adjective, and it means having a long duration of life. Long-lived. It often refers to people, species, or traditions that last or survive for an extended time. Synonyms for longevous. Long-lived. Enduring. Lasting. Perennial. Timeless. Surviving. These words can often be used interchangeably, but longevous has a unique poetic and formal tone. How to use longevous in sentences. The longevous turtle has been with the family for over 5 decades. She hopes to lead a longevous life filled with peace and health. Some trees are incredibly longevous, surviving for thousands of years. Why use longevous? Using a word like longevous adds depth and elegance to your language. It's perfect for writing, speeches, and moments when you want to sound thoughtful and expressive.